Welcome to Simply Elegant. Today I am very excited to show you a super simple recipe on making an apple rose. For this recipe you will need a large bowl of water, 3 tablespoons of water, 3 tablespoons of peach preservatives or apricot preservatives, juice of 1 lemon, 2 Honeycrisp apples or red delicious apples, and some puff pastry sheets that are defrosted. First we're going to take some juice from the lemon, so give it a roll to release the juices and just add the juice right into the bowl of water. Next you want to add a little bit of flour to the surface as well as to your rolling pin because we are going to roll out our puff pastry. We do this in order to get rid of any creases, like you can see here, and to make it a little bit bigger. So just roll it until a nice long rectangle is formed. Next you want to cut it down the middle using a pizza cutter or knife, and then cut each half into thirds. So 1, 2, there's 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to take our apple, cut it in half, and then we're going to take out the core. Just like that. So once again, there you go. So now you want to also cut that part up. And same thing with this apple. Perfect. Using a mandolin, you're going to thinly slice it, or you can use a knife and slice it as well. Whatever you have on hand. And you want them to be thin slices, just like that. Once you slice your apples, make sure to put it into your bowl that has the lemon juice and the water inside of it. Lemon juice is going to help the apples from browning. Now, before we do anything else, you want to pop your bowl of water, lemon juice, and apples into the microwave for 3 minutes. That's going to allow for the apples to become a little bit more bendy, so when we make our apple roses, they don't snap and break. You want to take your preservatives. I am using apricot preservatives. You want to add it to 2 tablespoons of water. This is going to help it become a little bit easier to spread onto our puff pastry. Our apples have come out of the microwave, so now let's pop this into the microwave for 30 seconds to a minute. I took the apricot out of the microwave, and you can see how it's a little bit easier to spread now. So you want to spread about a tablespoon all around your puff pastry. Then you want to take your apples, and you can see how they're a little bit more bendy now. Add your apples across the top half of your puff pastry and let them overlap a little bit, just like that. And it's okay if they're not all the same size. Then you want to fold your puff pastry over your apples, and then last but not least, you want to just roll it and voila, you have your little rose. So just pop this into a greased muffin pan or cupcake pan, and I'm going to finish up the rest of them. Are complete, so let's pop these into a preheated 375-degree oven, and these will bake for about 15 minutes or until golden brown. So our roses have baked in the oven for about 18 minutes. Look at how golden brown these are. I like to top these off with a little bit of powdered sugar. And voila! Dessert is ready. Look at how simple it was. Thank you for joining me once again on Simply Elegant. I hope that you guys give this recipe a try. And as always, remember to keep things simple yet elegant.